Hi dear electronics. You are always used several kinds of electronics goods. At present now you are watching me this video in this video by your mobile, that is also electronics device, or in your laptop, that is also device electronics device, or in your computer, that is also electronics device. Now the things is that you are always crazy about this electronics and always waiting for some e-cart website that when you get some offer in the Diwali or Durga Puja, that how, or Eid, that how you get some offer that with a low cost you can get some electronics goods very easily. But do you have any idea that why electronics is called, how the terms electronics is coming? Actually this electronics term is coming from the electron. Now I am asking you same question, that how the term electron and why it is called electron term is coming from where. Now for that reason this particular video, go for that. There is Mr. Electron is there, you show Mr. Electron is running so Mr. Electron is running in here, and for that reason the current is flowing. If a electron is passing through that path, that means a current is conducting, a current path is developed is there. You show the electron superman is there, electron superman. He is also rotating, he is also just move. For that reason the current is passing. So for the passing of the electron, the current is passing. Now there is another very interesting term, that how the electron term is coming. Actually the electron term is actually a Greek word. It is a Greek word. This electron term is actually a Greek word. This Greek word from electron, this particular electron term is developed, and this particular electron is specifically meaning, that is the amber. Amber means as a small particles, a yellow sphericals, yellowish one particles. I don't know why it is called yellowish particle. I think that it looks like that way he is showing. It's look like yellowish. For that reason it can say that electron, amber, that is yellowish or orange types things. But it is a Greek word, that is the electron. These things is coming. Next you show that do you know this is a scientist Joseph John. He was first invented the concept, that is the electron. In the year 1906 he get the Nobel Prize on the basis of his research, that is the electron. You show there is a atom in the upper side, these portions, and this is the electrons pictures which they founded. Can understand about the electrons pair, electron space. And in the 1906 he get the Nobel Prize on the purpose of this particular electron. This concept is coming in the 2019 at present now 2020, this is the COVID year, and where at present now, if he was not invented this concept at present now, or at that time Mr. Joseph John, the Professor Joseph John at that time, then it cannot be possible to reach at present now. It cannot be possible to watch me in your mobile, in your hand, through very easiest way. So that is the actual things, and we are salute to this man. Next one, you show there is a galaxy of the electronics device. You show there is several kinds of electronics devices are there. Camera, there is a camera, there is a DVD, televisions, tab, mobile, camera also some here. It is the fridge, washing machine, and several kinds of things are there in this particular. This is the galaxy of the electronics items, and you are using all these items daily life. Now I am saying you the device. Yes, why I am not saying it's equipment, but the things is that the same. I think what is the versus the device versus equipment, the things is that both are actually the same, but in case of some measuring things we can use the concept, we can use this particular term, that is the equipment. Apart from that we can say it is the device, but things is that we can say it is equipment also. Both are the same, there is no any difference between the device and the equipment. Next, then what is the component? What is component? What is component? It is also a very important word. So we have understand about that device, equipment. There is no any specific device, the device and equipment. And next one, now this is the component. What is component? Now in case of this, there is a component. In case of this component specifically, you show there is a galaxy of the component. There is a galaxy, all the galaxy of the components are there in here, okay, all are the galaxy. And you show there is a several kinds of things, that is the capacitor, that is the wear, that is the resistor, PCB, there is several activity, transistors, and also others activities are there, others not activity, actually other things are there, they are the actually the component. This is the inductors is also there, and several things are there, they are the components, they are the components. Actually the components are build and construct the device, specifically that the components are build the device actually. Now you go for this particular slide, that you show there is some Samsung mobile phone. Actually you saw there is a Samsung mobile phone, it is a device. Yes, inside of this there is several items, you show these several items are there, and you show inside of this there is several items are there, and all the items are actually the component, and by this component this particular mobile phone is generated, that is a device specifically. So component, by using the electronics component a device is generated, that is actually the electronics device, and this is the actual difference between the device and the component. So thank you very much, and thank you for watching.